Hello. Today I am here to help you ease your emotions. It is completely natural to suffer when losing a loved one. You would not be human otherwise. Time usually helps to soften the wound, even if at first it seems unthinkable, impossible. And yet time does heal. But if for you, the days pass, and the wound remains, refusing to close, then it is time to do something different. Even if your heart resists, you know deep down that healing is natural. All wounds are meant to heal. Scars remain, and that is a good thing. Scars shape you, they forge you, they become the fertile ground from which your strength and your light can rise. And now, I invite you on a healing journey. If you are listening to my voice right now, it means a part of you is ready. So, let's begin. If your eyes are not yet closed, take a deep breath in and out. Notice this curious phenomenon. With every breath, your eyelids grow heavier. Not forced, just naturally closing. Simply allow them to rest. And if they lift for a moment, it is fine. Just take another breath and let it go slowly. You may notice your body relax a little more. Adjust your position if you need, so your body feels comfortable, like at the cinema, sinking into the seat as the film begins, ready for the adventure. Now, it is time to journey within, because this is where your emotions live, and I am here with you. This path is not logical, nor rational. It is like a dream. So, imagine an ancient staircase, not small, but majestic. It may rise upward or descend downward, spiraling wide and graceful, and it leads to your secret sanctum. This is your sanctuary, your place of peace and protection, your paradise within. Imagine this staircase clearly wood, marble, stone, rock. Is there a railing to hold? Is it wide or narrow? Each step takes you closer to this sacred place inside you, anticipation growing with each breath. Perhaps you already see it. Perhaps you simply sense it. Your sanctum awaits at the end of the staircase, and as you walk, you already feel the peace of being there. When you arrive, take time to notice. Is it nature or a building, a small home or a palace? Is there a garden, trees, light, open sky? This is your place of rest, a place to restore and to heal. You can return here whenever you wish. Right now, simply explore. Notice how safe and calm it feels. Now, in your sanctum, take an intuitive path toward a monument. You see it in the distance, built of luminous white stone, with columns and ancient carvings. This monument holds a sacred passage, an arched doorway, inviting you forward. You approach slowly, drawn by its beauty and its calm power. At the entrance, a woman awaits you. She is timeless, neither young nor old, draped in ancient robes, simple and elegant, like a goddess of Delphi. She extends her hand toward you. She is here only to guide, to lead you beyond the archway. She smiles softly, inviting you. You may take her hand now. As you do, notice her warmth, and together you step forward, through the archway, crossing the threshold. You enter a new landscape. Everything transforms. The world becomes luminous, ethereal, a place of beauty, shimmering with light, almost unreal, yet deeply familiar. You feel yourself moving with ease, as if gliding or floating, hand in hand with your guide. You take in the sights around you, nature, dreamlike and vast. Some beings are here too. Most go about their lives. A few look at you, smiling. They know where you are heading. They honor your journey. Ahead, the light shifts. On the horizon, you see a vast expanse of water, an ocean, still and infinite. The sun rests just above the waves, an eternal sunset of gold and fire. You are drawn closer. Without effort, you find yourself at the shore. A wooden jetty stretches before you, reaching out into the water. It waits for you. Your guide pauses. She lets go of your hand. She remains behind with me, while you step forward alone. You are safe. Walk slowly onto the jetty. Notice the sound of wood under your steps. Feel the breeze, gentle and warm. You approach the place where boats come to rest. And in the distance, a vessel appears on the horizon, small yet radiant. Its sails glow with shimmering light as it glides toward you. At the helm stands a hooded figure, the ferryman, silent and steady, guiding the boat across the waves. And you sense another presence on board, someone familiar, The vessel draws near, the sails fold gracefully. As if by their own will, your heart beats faster. You already know who awaits you. The boat touches the dock. A plank lowers gently, connecting ship and shore. And there, before your eyes, stands the one you have missed so deeply. The one whose absence weighs on your heart, the one you have longed to see again. Their face shines with light, their smile full of love. They are here for you. You cannot step onto the boat. They cannot step onto the dock. And yet, you are close enough to see their eyes, to hear their voice. Listen now. They speak gently, with compassion. They tell you it is time to release, time to let them go. A luminous mist rises around you both, soft, protective, like a cocoon. The world fades away. There is only you, and the one you love. This was a short preview from one of our guided hypnosis sessions. You can listen to the full session by following the links in the description. If you enjoyed this experience, consider subscribing for more calm and sleep sessions. Take a moment now to relax and allow calm to settle naturally. Be well.